Hello everyone and welcome back to our drawing channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful sunset scene with palm trees. So grab your pencils and let's get started. We will sketch the palm trees on either sides of the paper. Start by drawing two tall, slightly curved trunks on each side. Add texture to the trunks by drawing horizontal lines and some shading to give them a more realistic look. For the palm leaves, draw long curved lines extending out from the top of each trunk. Then add smaller lines along these curves to create the leaflets. Make sure the leaves fan out naturally from the trunk. Let's add some waves to the ocean. Draw a few wavy lines below the horizon line, starting from one side of the paper to the other. Vary the size and shape of the waves to make them look more realistic. Remember to keep the waves smaller as they get closer to the horizon. Let's draw the horizon line slightly above the center of your paper. This will represent the ocean. Next, draw a large semicircle just above the horizon line to represent the setting sun. Make sure it's centered and smooth. Draw a few small circles clustered near the top of each trunk. These don't have to be perfect, just enough to suggest the presence of coconuts. Let's add some coconuts to our palm trees. Finally, let's refine our drawing. Go over your lines and darken the ones you want to keep. Erase any unnecessary guideline, add more detail and shading to the palm trees, coconuts, and waves to give your drawing more depth and dimension. Don't forget to shade the sun and add a few highlights to make it look like it's glowing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.